Chris from ZR Tactical. Today we're talking about VP9s. Here I've got a VP9 long slide and a VP9 tactical slide. I've also got a VP9 SK, but we're not going to talk about that. The tactical has one of our 17-pound ZR Tactical captured guide rod systems. These are HK specific. They are different than the regular ones. You'll also note in the long, I have a 15-pound. Again, they look the same, they are different. 15 in the long boy, assembles just like factory. Drops in nice and easy. If you give me just a minute, we'll put this together and send a couple rounds down range. Here's the VP9 Tactical. This is the VP9 Long. I'd like to point out they take the exact same size guide rods. These have different rate springs in them, but you can... I'm not left-handed. Sorry, everybody. Fits in there. Take it right out of your L and drop it into the Tactical. This is 17-pound. We'll run the 17 in here. We're back. This is a 17-pound ZR Tactical guide rod. We're going to shoot we're going to shoot PMC 115 grains through this. This is 17 out. We're going to switch to the 15. Can't show you this part. Now we've switched over to the 15-pound spring. Again, exact same architecture, everything's the same. VP9 Tactical, PMC 115 grains. Tremendous upgrade. So if you have a full-size VP9, doesn't matter if it's tactical or regular full-size or if it's the long, our ZR Tactical captured guide rods are going to fit. They're going to make a tremendous difference. They're going to help keep your gun flat, help you stay on target and get on target faster. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think.